After successfully importing your data, you can activate the services. The first step is setting up the selectors. You can use the wizard tool, which makes the setup process quick and easy with just a few clicks. Simply follow the instructions in the preview window that opens. In this process, you click to select the search input and the wrapper where the search results will be displayed. In the following steps, you will mark all the elements you need. If the selectors are the same on mobile resolution, you can skip the steps under mobile version. If it's necessary, you can change the selectors later in the integration settings section. Now, save the settings to continue the setup process in the Luigi's Box application. Any adjustments to the selectors can be made in this section. There is also the possibility of setting up different selectors for desktop and mobile website versions. By clicking the button, you save the configured selectors. There is also a video tutorial available that shows how to manually select the correct elements on your website. Once the selectors are configured, you can proceed to other settings. In the same interface, you will have the option to customize how prices are displayed or to add and edit your feeds. With the selectors set up and edition configurations completed, you will be ready to continue with the remaining steps.